We're a family-owned business, and we've been in Tulsa for almost 40 years now. I've been here 16 years, and it's a great place to work. I really love it here. We are one of the premier garden centers in the Tulsa area in Northeast Oklahoma. We sell a huge variety of plants, from bedding plants, which are annuals, to perennials, conifers. And the thing that sets us apart is the knowledge of our staff. A friendly face at Southwood and a blue shirt and a name tag, they will definitely help you be a successful gardener, whether it's landscaping or vegetable gardening. One thing about plants is everybody loves them. Unfortunately, criminals like them too. And so over the years, it has been so hard to keep people from coming in at night when nobody's here and stealing them from us. We had just had a really bad theft, probably around $10,000. We just needed an application to fit our needs where we didn't have power. So I was driving, and on a construction site, I saw one of the Alert 360's mobile security units. And so we called Mark, our sales rep, and once we got him in, we just saw theft just immediately stopped. And it was, okay, we're doing this every year from now on. Mark has been phenomenal at helping us with everything that we need. You can put them literally anywhere on your site, anywhere a vehicle can get, and they're solar powered. They have big blue flashing lights. The cameras, they are so good. And then the monitoring from Alert 360 is phenomenal. And they will call me and ask me if I want them to dispatch the police, which is great. We're right on Riverside, and so we get a lot of foot traffic. And you will see the foot traffic just really make a wide path around the mobile security unit. They don't want to be anywhere near it. That is the best way I have found to stop crime first, is to be a deterrence. It just provides a sense of security for our company, and we don't have to have a security guard here all the time because there is someone watching it all the time. I can even view the cameras from my phone live at any time during the day. Previously, I would go home and every night it was like, oh, okay, what am I going to come into the next morning? But now, as the facilities manager, I don't have to worry about the facility in the spring. I don't have to worry about it.